Alright guys, well today's going to be a pretty exciting video. I'm going to show you how to draw an Afghan Hound. So basically these are really fluffy dogs. It looks like they have like human hair. I don't know how else to describe it. Like I feel like you could put their hair up in like a ponytail or a bun and it would look totally normal. You'll see what I mean by that in just a second. But we're going to draw the eyes. So our Afghan Hound is basically looking over at us. Then we're going to draw this other oval right here, leave a little bit of room so we can draw this little circle right here. Awesome, then we color in the small oval that we did, not the little circle, but the small oval that we did. Gorgeous. Draw the eyebrows real quick. Yep, 2 eyebrows, and then the snout. So our Afghan Hound is looking at us at a 3/4 angle, so we can see part of the snout here, and it is kind of long. So once we've drawn the snout, we'll also draw the mouth as well as the nose. Add these little marks for the nostrils. Add this connecting line right here, and of course we need a little tongue and a little tooth. I think the little tooth makes it really cute. That's just my opinion. And then the chin. Chin goes from under the mouth back up. Then we're going to draw the cheek right here. Alright guys, it's looking great so far. Then we're going to draw the ears, and you're going to see what I mean about looking like they have human hair. Looking like they have pigtails or something. So we're going to draw so much fluff here. So much fluff here. Fluff. It's curving around. It's basically going in like an S shape. It doesn't go fully down. Then we add some little fluff marks near the top that are shorter, because the hair is shorter near the top of the head and gets longer as it goes out. These ears are just so remarkably fluffy. So here's the other one. That one's going down. Can't see the ear for just a little bit, and then it comes back out this way. Fluff. Back in. Back up. Perfect, we have both of the ears. I think the ears are the hardest part of this drawing, so everything else should be smooth sailing from here, guys. We're gonna draw the chest. Also very fluffy. So we gotta draw lots of zigzags. And then the feet. The feet are fun to draw. We don't have to draw very many details. Basically, just drawing a ton of fluff. Essentially, the foot is hidden under all this fluff. So that's really all we're doing there. Alright, let's do it again, guys. Let's do it on this side. And the zigzag fluff marks do not have to be symmetrical. They just have to be fun. So we have the tummy. The tummy starts down here, goes up a little bit in the back, curves down a bit. Now the hind legs are almost the same thing. They just have a little bit more of a curve to them. But yeah, you get the point there. You're doing the fluff marks around. Boop. Back up. Awesome, you guys. Let's do the last leg right here. Boop. And then all that's left is a little tail. Let's go ahead and add that tail. Boop. Drawing a skinny yet fluffy little tail right here. And guess what? We are all done. Then you can go ahead and color your Afghan Hound. I made mine black, brown, and tan.